What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Toyota Corolla key fob here, and today I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the key battery. Okay, so if you flip it over, you have a little button right here at the bottom, and this button, you have to slide it over to the left. You can slide over to the left with your thumb, and what you're going to do with that, it's going to release the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. And once you've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to split the remote open. All right, we're going to use a screwdriver here, and there's kind of two ways you can do this. We can go at it like this, just crack it open like that. All right, and when you do that, you want to make sure that you have the buttons facing down. All right, so when we take this off, here's our battery, but you can pull all this out, and you can pull these out here. This can all fall apart, fall down, down into the, like I'm working in the car right here. This can fall down into the, in between the console and the seat, and it would be kind of a pain in the butt to try to find the buttons if you let that happen. So always hold it like this, hold it like this, all right? And then we can pull out the battery. Just pry it out a little bit right there at the bottom. All right, and I'll let go, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Batteries are nice and big in the newer remotes, so that lasts a little longer. But we're looking at a CR2450 with the positive sign facing out towards us. Go and put it into the top half of the remote first. You can lock it down in. I move this thing all around, so I'm going to line it back up. Make sure it's lined up in here good, where it needs to be. Then you just snap the cover right back on. So at the top, work your way down, snap, snap. Emergency key goes back in. Locks, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. And hope to see you again in another video.